राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम को अपने बीच पाकर राजधानी पटना के बच्चे फूले नहीं समा रहे थे। मौका था मिसाइल मैन को करीब से देखने का और बच्चे उत्साहित थे उनके सारगर्भित वक्तव्यों को सुनने के लिए। निर्धारित समय पर डॉक्टर कलाम स्थानीय एसके मेमोरियल हॉल पहुंचे। हजारों नेत्रों ने डॉक्टर कलाम को मौन सलाम किया। चेहरे पर ओज, तेजस्विता के प्रतीक, विश्व के प्रमाणित वैज्ञानिक डॉक्टर कलाम ने मंच पर जैसे ही कदम रखा, तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से हॉल का कोना कोना गूंज उठा। देश के भावी कर्णधारों को युग पुरोधा डॉक्टर कलाम ने जब डियर फ्रेंड कहा तो बच्चों ने मानो असीम सुख प्राप्त कर लिया हो। डॉक्टर कलाम ने इस खास अवसर को यादगार बनाते हुए देश के नौनिहालों को नैतिकता, जीवन मूल्य और अप्रतिम क्षमता का संकल्प भी दिलाया। इस खास अवसर पर नौनिहालों को पूर्व राष्ट्रपति ने सम्मानित किया। वास्तव में डॉक्टर कलाम के करकमलों से सम्मान प्राप्त करना जीवन की अमूल्य निधि समान है। इस मौके पर समवेत स्वर में नौनिहालों ने डॉक्टर कलाम के द्वारा दिलाए जा रहे संकल्प का अनुसरण भी किया। आइए डालते हैं एक नजर डॉक्टर कलाम के रेखांकित होने वाले स्वर्णिम वाक्यांशों पर।
Friends, I'm very happy to meet all of you from Patna, all the schools, a number of schools. You are all smiling, very good children. My greetings to all of you. Friends, I have come to meet you to give a big message. What is the big message? How can each one of you can make the home happy and home of ethics? What is that? What home? What is the mission? My mission with you, how to make home happy, how to make happy and home of ethics. That is, when you go out of this campus now, you are going to carry a message, how I can make my home happy, how can I make my home of ethics. It's a good job, good mission. You all like it? Then you must do what I am going to ask you to do. Will you do it? Okay, friend. First, let me greet two ministers who are sitting, I understand. Honorable Sri Ashwini Kumar Chobe, Honorable Sri Chandramohan Roy ji, and my friends in dais, Sri Gurjirat Singh, Sri Anup Bansal, Sri Manoj Kumar. Don't disturb. Hello? You are disturbing. Manoj Kumar, Sri Manpreet Kakkar, and citizens of Patna, and the youth of Bihar, and winners of quiz contest. Good evening to all of you. Friends, I am delighted to address and interact with the students and youth present here who are part of What Can I Give mission of schools, of colleges from Bihar here at this function being organized by the Gulsar group of institutions and the What Can I Give mission. You know, before starting, I want to tell you something. I heard from Rumi's poem. Yeah, Rumi's poem. Down is it. Hello? First, introduction. Be a lamb. No, be a lamb. Will you repeat with me? Will you repeat? Be a lamb. Be a lamb. Be a lifeboat. Be a ladder. Help someone's soul to heal. Help someone's soul to heal. Walk out of my house. Walk out of my house like a shepherd. You know, this is a beautiful thing, how each one of us can be useful and happy. Friends, I am very happy to meet the student leaders of What Can I Give chapters in the schools of Patna. I read the vision of Gulsar group of institutions. They have got a great vision, apply the knowledge to expand the personal growth. This is indeed need of the hour. Now friends, I am very happy to announce the mission has now spread. What Can I Give mission has spread to more than 1 million members across the nation, all your age group who are youth, engaged in the mission of giving smiles to the environment, smiles to their conscience, smiles to their parents, and smile to the society and smile to the nation. Greetings to all of you. I am happy that today you are all joining in an important event which I call a Smile Factory. When I am here with all of you, I would like to share a few thoughts on giving is a lifelong mission. Giving a lifelong mission. That's the subject I am going to talk to you for next 10 minutes. Dear young friends, families are not alone. They are always together. Always we have to learn to live with happiness and pain. As you know, families make the society and the nation is born out of the society. How do we build a happy family? How do we build families with an ethical way of life? How do we build a clean, green home? Developing such an integrated family of love and happiness with ethical way of life in a green, clean, green environment should be the goal of every giver, that is every one of you. This will indeed lead to a great India. Will you young friends be a partner in making a home happy, ethical home, a clean, green home leading to a great India? Will you do it? Now, dear young friends, last month I had a unique visitor, Reverend Father Davis Chirmal from Perichere, Kerala. He requested me to inaugurate the Federation of Kidney Donors. At that time, one of his friends gave me a book, The Imprints of Love, written by Father Davis. From the book, I learned, what did I learn? I learned how Dr. Davis Chirmal, Father Davis Chirmal, donated one of his own kidney to an electrician, Sri Gopinathan, who is nothing to do with him. I asked priest Father Davis what went through his mind when he donated his own kidney. He said only 4 words: it is God's wish. Dear young friends, can you see how a man has generously donated one important organ of his body and extended the life of Sri Gopinathan? Can there be a greater mission of than what can I give practiced by Father Davis? Now, 3 days back, I was in Puducherry. But last week I visited Puducherry in Pondicherry. It's called now Pondicherry is called now Puducherry. Puducherry participated in the Golden Jubilee celebration of Volontariate. This vision of Volontariate was started by Madam Madeline, who came from Belgium to India to pursue her mission of service. Mission of service to humanity in 1962. 50 years back she came. Over the last 5 decades, this mission have empowered a large number of children with education, facilitated rehabilitation of women and senior citizens, and promoted organic farming in the local fields. When I look at the service rendered by Volontariate, I am reminded of the advice given by mother of Mahatma Gandhi when he was 9 years old. She said to Gandhi, son, as a son, in your entire lifetime, if you can save or better someone's life, your birth as a human being and your life is a success. You have the blessing of Almighty God. This is the advice Mahatma Gandhi from his mother, advice he got when he was a 9-year boy. Madam Madeline has saved thousands of lives in the last 5 decades. We are grateful to her for this unique service. So friends, now all these people who have done, what is the type of achievement they have done? Now I want to tell you, would you like to fly with me, all of you? Fly? Okay. Now repeat with you what I am saying. I am born with potential. I I am born with goodness and trust. I am born with ideas and dreams. I am born with greatness. I am born with confidence. I am born with wings. I am born with wings. So, I am not meant for crawling. I have wings. I will fly and fly. It's a poem of 13th century. It makes you to fly. How many of you want to fly? All of you want to fly. Now how to do that? My message to you young friends is that education gives you wings to fly. Achievement comes out of the fire in our subconscious mind that I will win. So each one of you assembled here, elsewhere, will have wings of fire. The wings of fire will indeed lead to knowledge, which will make you to fly. How many of you want to become doctors? Doctors. How many of you want to become doctors? Nobody. How many of you want to become scientists and engineers? Scientists, large number. Scientists, engineers. How many of you want to become a teacher? Oh, not bad. It's very good. How many of you want to become a political leader? Political leader. Very good, I said. So many fellows. Very good, very good. It's good for our politics. Young people join. How many of you want to become a lawyer? How many of you want to become IAS, IPS officers? All engineers, scientists, okay. Now, how many of you walk in the Mars and Moon as astronaut? As astronaut, how many of you want? Large number. I will meet all of you in 2030, okay? At that time, it will be hundreds, okay. So friends, for all these things, if you want to achieve what you want, you have to 4 criteria you have to have. Number 1, great aim you must have. Number 2, you have to continuously acquire the knowledge. Number 2, you have to hard work, of course. And 4th one is a perseverance. That is, you are not afraid of the problem. You will defeat the problem and succeed. So friends, now with this I will say that I want to tell you what can I mention. There are 3 components I told you. Number 1 component, how I can make my mother happy. Okay, make your mother happy. Will you repeat with me? Today onwards, I will make my mother happy. If mother is happy, home is happy. If his home is happy, society is happy. If society is happy, partner is happy. If partner is happy, Bihar is happy. How many of you will do today onwards to make your mother happy? Okay. Now friends, the second one, if I ask you one promise, will you do? How many of you will do? All of you. Then hear my story. You know we are billion people. We are billion people. Billion people live in 200 million houses. Each house has got 5 people. That's why 1 million people. 1 billion people. In the house, who is there? The 200 million houses, a study has made by experts. That is, 30% of the houses are corrupt. That means 60 million houses are corrupt. Okay? 60 million houses. Each house, who is there? Father, mother, and 2 daughters, 1 son or 2 sons and 1 daughter. Understand? You all understand? Now imagine there is a corrupt father in a home. 60 million houses are corrupt. The young son or young daughter goes to the father. Father, I request you, as a son or daughter, I request you, don't do the corruption. In corruption, if you are getting a car or 2-wheeler, I will not run it. How many of you have a daring courage? How many of you will have? How many of you will have, in case, unfortunately, your father is corrupt? How many of you? How many of you? Such a number. Such a number. Still there are few are afraid to reach their father. You know? They are afraid. So courage is essential. What is courage? So friends, I would suggest, if you need a home, beautiful home, happy home, and a home of ethics, you ought to do, it is in your hand, young people's hand. One is to make your mother happy, and second one, make your father's corruption free if he is. If you do that, you are having a beautiful home, happy home, and also home of ethics. Now, I want to, dear young friends, you have learned about the process of how many of you know photosynthesis? You know photosynthesis? Many of you know. Each tree, a grown-up tree, when you see in Bihar or anywhere, it absorbs 20 kg of oxygen, 20 kg of oxygen, 20 kg of carbon dioxide every year, and lets out 14 kg of oxygen every year. 20 kg of carbon dioxide it absorbs, and 14 kg of oxygen. Imagine the country. India has got a billion people, billion trees. If such a thing happens, then you will have a beautiful land, beautiful India, and environmentally a happy place you will have. Will you take a decision today? At least 5 trees you are going to plant in next 5 years time and nurture it. How many of you will do it? Okay, all of you will do it. So friends, you take a vow, I will plant 5 trees and ensure that growth. Thank you, you are good guys, thank you. Next. Now friends, all of you remember, time is very important. Time is very important. Every minute is important. Now, the time, you know, Earth rotates to one axis. It takes how much time? How much time? 24 hours. Now, Earth follow orbits around the Sun. How much time it takes? 1 year. 1 year. So, the Earth once orbits around the Sun 1 year, whether you are a dais or you are in the hall, every one of us has gone through one orbit around the Sun, 1 year gone. Okay? So what is the mechanism it happens? That means, you repeat with me, seconds fly, minutes fly, hours fly, days fly, and years fly. We have no control over time. The only thing that we can do, while the time flies, we can navigate the time. Let not my winged days be spent in vain. So with this friends, I wish you all the best and greetings to all of you to make a What Can I mission success, and each one of you will become ambassador for What Can I Do mission. Now I have got oath for people, all of you. Ready? You can take the oath. Today onwards, you are not taking lunch today, no? Today onwards, I will make my mother happy. When my mother is happy, family is happy. When families are happy, society is happy. When society is happy, nation is happy. From today onwards, I will give my affection and love to my father, ensure my home is free from any type of corruption. You will do it, eh? I will ensure that I will work for cleanliness of my home and neighborhood. A clean home leads to clean neighborhood. Clean neighborhood leads to clean village and town. Clean villages leads to a clean district. I will plant at least 5 trees and nurture them. I will be a caregiver to the sick and those who are lonely in old age homes, hospitals and orphanages. I will visit hospitals once in a week and help the patients. I will become a partner with local administration and law enforcement of agencies to my district clean, happy and safe. Last one. I will work with integrity and succeed with integrity. I will be good member of my family, good member of the society, a good member of the nation and good member of the world. I will always try to save or better someone's life without any discrimination of caste, creed, language, religion or state. Wherever I am, a thought will always come to my mind, that is, what can I give? What can I give? What can I give? I will work with courage to achieve success in all my tasks and enjoy success of others. Enjoy. My national flag flies in my heart, and I will bring glory to my nation. Thank you, friends. Thank you.